Abaca is one of the Musaceae family that is relative of a fruit-bearing banana plant that only grew in the Philippine Islands. It is used as a material for making fabrics and ropes in various regions. In the year 1521, a man named Pigafetta, a Spanish chronicler from the historic voyage of Ferdinand Magellan to the Philippines, he wrote the indigenous Filipinos were already wearing clothes made out of abaca fiber when the Spaniards arrived on Philippine shores. And during the 1800s, a historian named Don Luisni confirmed that abaca fiber is indigenous to the Philippines. The historian has observed that there were extensive plantation of the abaca plant in the Philippines in Luzon, especially in the Bicolandia or Bicol region with the long peninsula stretching southeastward of the Philippines. In 1820, during the American colonization, an American soldier named John White, a lieutenant of the US Navy, brought abaca fiber to the United States. 5 years later, the first exploration of the American to the abaca fibers happened, and soon abaca fiber became well known as one of the strongest materials in making ropes. In early 1900s,